too late now. It's too late. Oh, don't let people watch me make it. I feel so comfortable.
Yay, it's getting there. Jeez. You're not done? What do you mean you're not done?
Garnish it.
Oh, fudge.
Mixed one in, package in, and then I'm putting one at the top to make it look pretty.
Going in on Billy. It looks like a Chef Boyardee, but we already know it's not. So, yikes.
Jeez. You're making me so nervous. Okay. Are you gonna take the first bite?
Bitch, we're doing it together!
Oh.
We're cheersing this shit. We're dying together.
Wait, let me.
What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. I am here with Shar once again. Last time we saw you was the truth or drink, right?
Yes.
The last time we did a video like this was in December for Vlogmas, and we did the truth or drink. So today I brought her back to do another crazy thing with me, and that is to do the spicy noodle challenge with these noodles. You're not good with spice, right? Are you?
I can be, but then sometimes I'm not, so it really depends.
I'm not good with spice. I can't handle spice whatsoever, so today is gonna be
Interesting.
I'm scared. Wait, let me pour my chocolate milk. I'm prepared in that sense.
So I have almond milk because I am lactose intolerant.
Almond
and
milk.
I have water with a block of ice.
Because you're gonna need that.
And then this is how the noodles look like. And I'm using
yeah,
a
so you
fork
can
and a
see we're all ready. I got my fork. I've got tissues because who knows what's gonna happen. Okay, are you ready?
I'm really nervous about this. Guys, like,
Whoa.
I'm really nervous about this.
Girl, it's hot still. Do you think this is
I
a good
can
idea?
smell the pepper.
She was making it, and I swear, like the pepper or whatever was, holy crap, that just went up my nose.
See?
It was in the air, and we both got it in our throat, and we just started choking, and it was just like, oh.
It was awful.
I think I'm gonna take some chocolate milk to like coat my throat really quickly.
Don't
Someone
be a
was telling me, they're
punk.
like, someone was like, I'm gonna be a punk. I will straight up be a punk for this. Hello?
I can smell the spicy noodles.
Ooh, so can't wait.
You can smell it? Okay, ready? Are we cheersing this? And this is my bite. Ready?
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know why it kind of tastes like chicken fried rice. My eyes are watering. I'm gonna take my glasses off to this.
It's not like super spicy. I feel like I just had too much in my mouth, so.
Bitches was one bite.
I'm okay, guys. Oh, do you hear my belly?
Your belly was
My
like,
stomach is like, girl, are you really trying to kill me today? Okay, I think I need more.
oh my god, why
She needs some milk. I don't think I can finish my whole bowl. My mouth is already burning. I'm gonna eat small pieces at a time.
Good.
Why am I blowing on it like it's hot?
Like it's hot.
It tastes good.
It does. If it didn't have that
very-
burning sensation after, it'd be really, really good.
I thought you said you can't handle spice.
But did you see my eyes?
Oh. Jeez, full tears. It's actually not that bad.
I'm not chewing much.
You're just swallowing. That's cheating. I'm chewing. Girl, this is spicy. The more you eat it, the spicier it gets.
My foot is shaking underneath the table right now.
Like, literally, the more you eat, the more spicier it gets. Why couldn't this be like a McDonald's challenge?
I'm down to do one of those. How much can we eat in 10 minutes?
Do you know junior chickens are $2.49 now?
Yeah.
So expensive.
Remember when a hamburger was $1.35 and a junior chicken was $1.46?
Like, what the hell happened? And then Americans are still have like $1, $4.44.
But tell me how they have like, what is it, 10 nuggets for $1 or something like that?
America. And they have like spicy McDonald's nuggets.
They apparently have it here, I just don't know where.
I do. In Brantford, I think I've seen it. Someone on TikTok said it.
I don't know if I'm willing to drive there to try it though. Like I don't want it to not be worth it.
But what if they end up not being nuggets that end up coming on the actual menu? Is your tongue burning?
the roof of my mouth and the, like right here.
Yeah, my tongue is burning.
I don't think I can feel my tongue much right now.
I don't know if I can finish this whole bowl.
That's a challenge though.
Very soon I'm gonna be at your point where I'm crying.
How can we make this fun? Is there any questions we can ask each other? I didn't think about it. What are your dreams and aspirations?
To not die? Can we just talk about how hard it is being a female? And lately I've just been realizing the world is not made for women and how hard it is for women.
I mean, a big thing like for, well, what I'm kind of like not dealing with, but is like how social media and society has like all these like standards for women and their bodies and what they should look like, and they're just so unrealistic, you know?
Oh yeah. And like, I know guys probably deal with it, but I don't think it is, the pressure to look good for women is as high as it is for a man, because like society has said dad bods are okay, but like mom bods are still considered like your typical mom you see at the grocery store is like, no,
It's not beautiful.
like your mom bods that you have nowadays is like the Kim Kardashians, and then even like mom loungewear, like how a mom should dress, it's like it's still very sexualized. Like you can't just go to the store wearing like a regular tracksuit.
Yeah.
Can you get me my warm almond milk and ice?
Where did you put it?
Thank you.
I love you that you're doing this with me.
Oh my god, you hate me. Is this why you
sorry
picked
for the
me?
little
Because you
pain.
hate me?
No, because I knew you're the only person who would do it with me. I don't have a lot of friends,
This is not a sponsored video, so
but chocolate milk and almond breeze. I say chocolate milk as if that's the brand. Nielsen or Beatrice, any of the chocolate milk brands out
Almond
there, any
Breeze.
milk brands out there.
Have you tried oat
Sponsor
milk?
us? No, I have not.
It's thick, but now I eat them and now I like them.
Did you put more in my bowl?
No.
You
I
bitch!
did not do that. COVID. Do anything.
I'm gonna watch this video back and I'm gonna see.
Go ahead.
I don't think we're finishing this. Fuck that.
You gotta get to at least my point. I've been eating because I've been scooping it like spaghetti and rolling it so it's big chunks I'm biting. That's why I can't feel my tongue anymore. You gotta catch up. I'm gonna wait for you to catch up. You got this. Go, Pixie. Go, go. What goals have you achieved this year?
You wanna know a goal that I'm about to achieve? 1 liter of chocolate milk in the like 10 minutes that I've been here. And then buy another one.
You can have some almond milk.
No.
You can have some almond
I
milk.
should look how to buy some. Stop eating if you want me to catch up.
Okay, guys, I think I've done such a great job. When you look at my bowl
I feel
and
like
look at Ashley's bowl, she needs to catch up. Like, I don't think it's like unmanageable hot, but like my tongue is like doing stuff that it's never done before. Like it's tingling, my throat's a little bit tingling. The type of spicy I'm used to is like African spicy, which is different from this spicy.
the type of spicy I'm used to is ketchup.
When salt and pepper's too spicy for you. My tongue is on fire.
Your tongue is on fire.
I'm pretty sure my stomach is gonna hurt tonight.
Yeah, but I'll get water after. I feel sick.
You're gonna throw up?
Not gonna throw up, but I think this is gonna be a fail, guys.
I think I did really good. I'm gonna take one more bite for you, Pixie Dust, because that's what I've decided to call Ashley's YouTubers that watch.
I'm gonna be sick. Oh god, this
Don't
is
say that because
terrible.
now I'm gonna feel like puking.
Sorry.
Okay, let's just take one more spoon together.
Together?
Yes.
Guys,
Our last bite.
it's not gonna happen. Last
I don't know
bite.
how you guys eat this whole bowl. Cheers. Oh, that last bite. Okay, confession time.
She fucking put it in my bowl, didn't you?
You would probably eat more than me, because I put like half my bowl in your bowl. So good for you. And you didn't puke. Never doing this. I will do it with you if it's like food that tastes yummy.
Yeah, we'll do a yeah. Next food. I can't speak. Hold on.
We should do a chicken nugget video and compare like Chick-fil-A nuggets, McDonald's nuggets, Burger King, Wendy's. We don't have like In-N-Out like Americans, so like the burn is not going away. Guys, I think my lips are burning. Oh my gosh, what if this is a way for you to get like full your lips because like my lips are burning. They're probably gonna swell.
Yeah, I almost like spouted my water.
You want free Botox? Get you some spicy noodles. You want your lips to burn? Spicy noodles. You want your stomach to burn? Spicy noodles.
Sorry, I was gonna do it with you earlier and I couldn't get it out of my mouth. I think the combination of
Too much milk?
Way too much milk.
I'm pretty sure you actually finished a whole like packet.
Oh yeah?
I couldn't do it. I like my stomach.
I think my body hates me right now.
Oh, 100%.
That's it for this video. And that's it for this spicy noodle challenge fail.
Do it at your own discretion.
Yeah, just because people on YouTube do it. Hold on, I can't finish that. Doesn't mean you should. I'm surprised people can eat this, period. But my West Indian in me is definitely not coming out. But it's a different kind of spice. It's not
See,
like
I told you, it's a different type of spice.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Charlene, thank you for being here and doing this BS with me. She's always down to do crazy things with me, so you'll see more of her.
Yes, you will.
All summer. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.